and welcome back once again to my channel. In case you're new here, it's your baby girl, it's your sugar, it's your darling, it's your favorite skin enthusiast, skin educator, Nyechi Chiemela. You can always silent the N if it's very difficult for you to pronounce, okay? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you body lotions as well as oils to pair them with for an even glowing skin. Yes, a complexion that is evened out with few or no pigmentation at all. Okay, all right, so if this is what you're interested in seeing, if this is the kind of content you would always love to see, or you're somebody who just loves watching informative reviews on products, please make sure you subscribe and share this video to your sister or brother. Don't forget that in this channel, here on this channel, we're family. We are a family. I'm so sorry if I haven't replied any of your comments, but sometimes you guys make comments very hard to respond to. Please, if you want to ask me any question, be specific, specify your question. Please, how would I know what is this and this? Don't just say I need your help or I need you. How would you know what you need my help for except you specify? Okay, please, I'm here to serve you guys, so please make it easier, make my job a little bit easier. Okay, don't ask questions that are incomplete. Ask your question to the fullest. Try and make your questions very specific so that I would answer. All right, so without further ado, let's just get straight into today's video. After I made this particular video, people have been asking me, oh Nyechi, how do I find this oil? Oh Nyechi, what do I do? Some even contact me and be like, how do I get this body oil? How do I do this? Very soon my brand will be producing our very first brightening and glowing body oil. It's still under process. Please be patient. Once it's out, I'll let you know. All right, so for now, you can get all those body oils I've talked about in any good skincare supply store around you, or you can also check on Instagram. Okay, before I head straight, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We are running low on subscribers. We need you to subscribe. We need our family to grow large. I need to know that, oh, I have work to do. I have people waiting for my content. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't. All right, support you now. For the purpose of this video, I am going to talk about 3 skin shades or 3 skin tones. What do I mean by that? The fair skin, the caramel skin, and the dark skin. Yes, I'm going to just focus on this. There's a reason why, but I want to simplify the video so that I'll go straight to the point and serve you better as always. Okay, this is another question that people have DM'd me. They've asked me even down in the comment section on my emails and a whole lot. They asked me, what can we do? We put in our body oil directly into our lotion, or do we rub it directly? Sweetheart, the point is you can do both depending on the formulation of your product. Yes, if you don't want to mess up with the formulation of your already finished product, you can just polish your skin by applying your body oil directly. That is my advice. That is what I suggest you do. But if you still feel like you want to pour in your body oil on your body lotion, that is fine, but you have to make sure you are not diluting or disrupting the formulation, because the cosmetic chemist who made your product has already measured out all the ingredients and they know what they did. So just make sure you're not overdoing it. I suggest adding just a little bit into your lotion if you really want to add. Otherwise, just apply it directly on your skin immediately after you use your body lotion. Okay, as a fair skin person, I must also add that once your skin is okay enough, like you don't have pigmentation issues to deal with or any skin related issues to deal with, you shouldn't further brighten or lighten your skin. You should just allow your skin to be the way it is by maintaining it. You don't need to do extra sis. Just make sure you're using brightening body oils that are natural and that will not in any way darken your skin. You're putting on your sunscreen and you're avoiding the sun always. As a fair skin person, one of my greatest challenge has been hyperpigmentation. I've said it over and over again. It has been one of my struggles, and God's so kind, I've been able with my knowledge to deal with it and to resolve it, okay, to keep it under check. So my candid advice is, if you've already gotten to your desired skin shade or desired skin tone, do not, I repeat, do not overdo it. Just focus on maintenance, body maintenance. I'm going to be making a video on how to maintain your fair skin. If you want to see that video, please make sure you share this particular one to 2 of your friends or family. Make sure you comment down below, done, and I'm ready to see the video. Okay, all right. And when it comes to a very melanin popping complexion, you know what I mean. And if you're a melanin queen, hello, you're beautiful. You don't need to overdo it, and you don't need to bleach your skin. But no offense, if that is what you want to do, good luck. I'm not going to tell you not to do what you want to do, but I must say, if you need my candid suggestion or advice, that you maintain your complexion already and avoid getting darker. That is what you should focus on doing. That is the best thing to do, is to moisturize and maintain your complexion. You wouldn't want to have more pigmentation on your skin. Now, the body lotions that I would suggest you try out or you incorporate in your skincare routine, mind you, what works for others may not work for you. If you have serious skincare issues, please visit your dermatologist. Now, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Lotion is something you should also try out if you're a dark skin, a hot chocolate complexion. Also, the Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion is also good for a dark skin, melanin popping chocolate king or queen. In general, any product that contains coconut oil or coconut butter, followed by shea butter, followed by cocoa butter or cocoa oil, are perfect for a dark skin person. Alright, now the body oil you can pair with any of these body lotions I mentioned is coconut oil. Coconut oil is also fantastic. Make sure you're getting the cold pressed coconut oil, the one that has not been heated, that hasn't lost its ingredients. And at the same time, you can also get your shea butter. Shea butter is also nice. Make sure you're also exfoliating your skin. As a dark skin person, you also need exfoliating soaps. I would suggest the Ashanti papaya soap. Use once or twice a week. There are many other exfoliating products in the market. You can also try an exfoliating coffee scrub. Beautiful. So make sure you're exfoliating at least once or twice a week as a dark skin person, and make sure you get any of the oils I mentioned. So any body lotion that contains the ingredients I just listed out on the screen are perfect for you as a dark skin person. If you have any questions or recommendations for me, please leave it down in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. Alright, second skin tone I'm going to talk about is the caramel skin tone. You're not so fair, you're neither even dark, you're somewhere in between. Yes, so that you have a blended complexion. What do I mean by that? From head to toe, you're looking like sweet. Yes, now these are some of the body lotions that you can try out for maintenance sake. You can try the Dove avocado body lotion, Jergens body lotion, the one with honey, I think honey and shea butter. I'm going to leave the picture down the screen. These are body lotions you can try out as a caramel complexion person. There's so much more when it comes to maintaining and glowing your skin. Remember, we're not talking of hyperpigmentation or skin lightening here. We're talking of making your skin look natural and maintained. Okay, now, the body oil you can use as a caramel skin person is the jojoba oil. A lot of people pronounce it jojoba because of the spelling. This oil contains antioxidants. If you haven't watched my video on body oil, I'm going to link it up on the screen, so check it out and comment down below. Now, the last but not the least we have is for fair skin tone people or fair skin complexions. Now, you will need to buy something that has vitamin C in it. Any good body lotion that contains vitamin C is perfect for you. The Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion with vitamin C, and the Dr. Teal's body lotion with vitamin C. Nivea Even and Radiant, I was on it, I didn't get dark. It was maintaining my complexion. At some point, some people even said it was brightening me up a little bit. I'll leave the picture on the screen. It's also nice for a fair skin person. The Dr. Teal's body lotion is also very nice for a fair skin person. You see why I said you should stick around till the end? Now, when it comes to a particular body oil to try out, the carrot seed oil and almond oil, or even mango butter or mango oil, is nice for a fair skin person. Yes. So carrot seed oil contains beta carotene, so it doesn't make your skin get darker if you have that problem or that concern. Alright, so if you've tried any of the oils or body lotions I have talked about right now, sit out, please leave a comment down below, and make sure you follow me on Facebook. Also follow me on Instagram. Your girl recently joined TikTok. Please help me grow my audience there as well. See you in another video. Don't forget that God loves you, and hey, make sure you leave a comment. It is very important. Alright, now I still have products from my skincare line. Yes, I told you guys sometime last year that I launched 2 products. Now, this is our Lumi Cherry Skin Lightening Body Lotion, and this is our Lumi Glow Happy Brightening Black Soap. Very good for clearing body pigmentations and for brightening your skin. Sweetheart, this is what I use. Hello, this is what I use. This is our mini body lightening set. This is very active and potent. Same goes with this. Our products are made from natural ingredients, infused natural ingredients. If you're interested, please comment down below. I love you, and see you in another video.